This question is from GATE 2023 Mechanical Engineering, the question number 23. The question says, two surfaces P and Q are to be joined together. In which of the given joining operations there is no melting of two surfaces P and Q for creating the joint? It is a MSQ question. So this means there will be more than one correct answers to the question. Let's let us see the options that are given. That is arc welding, brazing, adhesive bonding and spot welding. Okay, in this case it is given there is no melting of two surfaces happen. Okay, that means it is not a fusion joint. Okay, in fusion joint generally two surfaces are melted, and if required we can add a filler material so that we can produce a fusion joint between the two workpieces along with the filler material. But here it is given that no melting will happen. Okay, so that means this is not a fusion joint. Now let's find out the answers. Okay, the first option is given, that is arc welding. In arc welding the metals are joined by melting of two materials or two base metals. Okay, two base materials. So in this case fusion joints happen, that means the melting happens. So this will not be the correct answer. In brazing we are not melting the base material, but we are adding one of the liquid filler material so that the two materials or two surfaces can join together. So this will be a correct answer. In adhesive bonding between two workpieces we add the adhesive to the material to produce the joint between two surfaces. So here also we don't use the melting of two surfaces does not happen. So this can be another correct option. Okay. In the last, the spot welding. Spot welding is one of the resistor welding process in which the joining happens by supplying current between two workpieces, and due to the contact resistance heat is generated and melting happens. So there will be melting between two workpieces. Okay, so this will not be a correct answer. So our answers to this question will be B and C. Both are correct. Thank you.